It's April 21st, 2023. The snow is finally frickin' melting. And springtime cleanup has begun. We didn't get a chance to get the leaves last year because the frickin' snow came super early and it has not gone away. Yay, it's so nice to see the lawn again. Jody's gonna put the fenders on. So it's good to get a little before video before we make some changes. We got springtime waking up over here in the birdie oasis. There's a lot of campanula and heuchera and ajuga, primrose. I've got a ghosty, or no, Japanese painted fern. Or it's a ghost fern, one or the other, I can't remember. But it's so pretty when it's all awake. Yay. I still need to clean all the leaves and yucky stuff out of here. But this is where Jody's gonna put these big, awesome fenders. So it's gonna be a different little flower bed. A different little scene over here. This is a butterfly garden. All of the plants in here attract butterflies. That's pretty much the only design to it. Some of the plants don't really match each other, but who cares? The butterflies love it. Yep. It's so gross out here. I can't even wait for everything to start waking up. Luckily, we didn't take breakage on the plum tree, so that's awesome too. Hopefully it produces a lot of fruit this year. Oh, and there's our new kitty. His name is Max. He showed up in the garage a couple days ago, 3-4 days ago, and he just made himself at home, and Jody opened up the chicken coop today, and he really likes it. He just keeps sunning himself and hanging out in there. Yeah, I took him to the vet and he got his first set of vaccinations today. So he is officially our kitty cat. I'm pretty stoked because he's a sweetheart. I'd say he's pretty content. Mm.